cooperate, so it's not as tough of a morning for drivers as it was yesterday.
It has been. Yesterday was I didn't think the rain was ever going to stop.
That's what I texted you. I said,
when is it going to stop?
I don't think it's ever going to stop. And driving, you're right in that. When it's pouring rain is really tough for a lot of people.
The visibility's low, the ponding out on the roadways. You know, over in Franklin, the Cool Springs area, highly traveled Mallory Lane. I mean, everything's on that road. Parts of it were underwater yesterday.
That's incredible.
So I didn't get gas.
Yeah.
But you're hearing that those floodwaters have receded for this morning.
Exactly, but where are they going to go? To the rivers and lakes. And Sky 5 Live has got us a beautiful shot overlooking Music City. So if you are going to be planning on getting out this weekend, because the weather's going to be glorious, be mindful. If you're headed to the rivers, the lakes, the creeks, they will be quite swollen out there. And sometimes that does include some rushing water. So just be on alert, especially with the younger ones. The Power 5 radars, all eyes continue to be to this north and eastern quadrant of Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky. It is electric. Showers and thunderstorms now over into Hartsville. Yesterday, y'all didn't get the rain till later on. Today, we're starting out with you. You'll notice hugging the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, just tons of lightning over into Hermitage Springs, Salina, Byrdstown, Jamestown, and some of y'all have actually had reports of 1.5 to 2 inches of rain that's already on the ground. Not only are we dealing with a lot of rainfall, we've got a lot of lightning. As you can see, these are incredibly electric, and we also have some winds within the system itself gusting around 30 miles per hour. That's not enough to have a severe criteria, but it's enough to be, okay, hey, we need to kind of pay attention to this because it could be a little concerning. Its movement, though, is very helpful. It's moving to the east right around 45 miles per hour. So because of the training of these storms, a lot of water has already been produced. That's why we've got that aerial flood advisory for Clay, Jackson, Overton, and Pickett counties until 9 o'clock. The lower lying locations, the poor drainage areas, you know where they are. Be careful because that's where the water is sticking on. And already, again, remember, 1.5 to 2.5 inches have already been put on the ground this morning, and they're going to continue. That's why we do have a flood watch in place for a majority of Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky. That goes with us until noon today. The main concern with this storm risk is a 2 out of 5, and of course, flooding being of the highest. I cannot rule out a spin-up tornado, but that's on the lower list of my worries. Over the next several hours, we're going to continue to have those showers and thunderstorms right along to our eastern locations. Those will move out, and then around lunchtime, this next line moves in, producing showers and thunderstorms. Models are indicating this is going to have a really nice forward motion to it. So it's not going to lollygag. It's still going to bring some heavy rain, but the threat of flooding is not going to be as intense as what we are experiencing now. Here is your 7-day forecast. Highs today, 90 degrees. You've got showers and storms morning, early afternoon, and then we will clear out. Tomorrow is our changing day. We'll get up to 90. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. We'll see showers and thunderstorms, and that is associated with a cold front. Temperatures as we make our way Saturday and Sunday, comfortable and even cool for your mornings, as we will be in those upper 50s and 60s across the plateau. And then by the afternoon, we're talking mid to upper 80s, low dew points, just nice and comfortable. And then as we make our way Monday night into Tuesday, we'll see a few chances for some rain.